Hi, my name's John Lebeau, and I live in Lansing, Michigan. And briefly about me, I'm a retired police officer. I've done a lot of things in my life. I'm a musician, and I've been in sales, a lot of things since I retired. But nothing has excited me as much as the drone business. I've been flying drones for some time now, just basically recreationally. But I decided to get into the business mainly because my stepson owns a fairly large roofing company. And so far, I've done several inspections for him that are working out very, very well. And I bought a good drone. So I know that I can count on it, and I'm ready to go out there and solve some problems for people, both technically and logistically. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to attend this program. So far, I've learned a lot, and it's only been one day, but the epiphany I got from listening to Diego about sales techniques and various different things regarding marketing has really been an eye opener for me. Also, the listening to Damon talk about the drones. I do have one of the drones he recommended, so I feel good there, and I agree wholeheartedly. It's not the drone that makes the business. It's you. I've always used that term. If it is to be, it's up to me. So that's what I plan to do to build the business. And so far, so good. I'm fortunate to be able to start out with my stepson, who, by the way, is also working with me on the drone business. So I'm looking forward to the next 2 days, this day and tomorrow. And I can't say enough good things about it so far. It's been terrific. Once again, my name's John LeBeau. For Diego, he wasn't sure how to spell or how to pronounce my name. It's LeBeau, and I'm looking forward to it.